told you to do smash like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Smash like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every type of new video. But than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment shout out to join the free comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Vigilante Deku from the new season of My Hero Academia. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing. I think the outcome came out super cool. I'm really happy with how the background came out, especially how it fits the mood so well for Midoriya's pose. But overall, I'm really happy with how the colors came out. So hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be linking some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn for they may really like. So we should check it out since we in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for My Hero Academia drawings, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. I'll text everybody. Peace.